product red. A brilliantly simple idea that challenges the conventional notions of charity and fundraising. An idea that gives red companies the chance to give a percentage of their profits for their red products and services to some of the world's poorest communities. In turn, giving some of those communities the chance to work alongside some of the world's most influential companies. But most importantly, it is an idea that gives people the opportunity of showing how determined they are to succeed when they are given the chance. We would also like to introduce you to the community of Morija in Lesotho, and in particular to the people who work at the Morija Printing Works.
My name is Isaiah and it's my Christian name, and my surname is Sujani. I live at Morija. I was born here. I have 2 daughters and I'm staying with my wife and with my family. It's I who support my family. My job in the factory is I'm a pressman. I'm operating the machine called puffer. Normally I'm off after 5 o'clock and I go home. Sometimes it's my mother or my wife who prepare supper. The Motorola job is very, very important to us as a community, as the people who are working there. It's going to create the jobs for them.
My name is Lindy Gill, the General Manager of Morija Printing Works. In short, the person in charge and responsible of the whole operation of the printing works. This is the largest employing company in this area, and there is not very much employment around. So it is our hope and belief that it will bring more plates of food on more people's tables, help quite a lot of students go to school, those whose parents would not have necessarily managed to pay for them because they were not employed. We have since 2004 started a program called Morija Printing Workplace HIV and AIDS program, where we are educating our workers on the impact of HIV and AIDS. And we are presently trying to fight stigma, to try to help them fight stigma and encouraging them to come out more and talk about it and declare their status. The country's statistics are very high. They are around 30-something%. Definitely in some families, only orphans are left. The parents are gone, the kids are also going, and even for ourselves here at Morija Printing Works, we have had victims of HIV and AIDS. I heard that a Global Fund was funding institutions for the HIV and AIDS program, but our ambition is to go further than that and not only help the individual employees, but we would also like to reach their family members, that way gradually reaching the community. It is definitely a subject which is very, very close to our hearts, so we are working very hard to make sure that we get almost everybody in this factory tested, and we will be supporting them as much as possible, and we will be keeping them on their employment as much as possible as long as they are healthy. And even where they will not be healthy anymore, we have a program in place where they will get support when they get home.
In Lesotho, according to our custom, chieftainship is hereditary. I have to see that there is peace in the village. The facility like Morija Printing Works here, employing people, that is a great contribution to the lives of the people within the village and beyond the borders of the village, because people who work at the Morija Printing Works do not come from Morija only. They also come from neighboring, villages. So that in terms of income for the households, it is very important that we have this facility. And I'm glad that what Motorola is doing here has added to that contribution, because I'm told that not less than 50 new staff of the Morija Printing Works have been taken in, and that is going to provide income not only for the 50 families, but as you know, in Lesotho we have this tradition of the extended family system, so that many more people than the 50 are going to benefit from the employment which has been created by Motorola.
The Motorola job brought more challenges, and it's good that it's going to create more job for our community. My dreams for future is to have a better house. I want to go further and to develop my family, to find my family in a good life.
Product Red is not a charity. It is a business model. If all things were equal, perhaps it would not be needed. But they are not, and therefore it is. We have been given the chance to participate in this initiative by Motorola and have grabbed the opportunity with both hands.